Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we explore cutting-edge gadgets. Today, we have a unique device that's bound to keep your life organized and efficient. It's the SUPVAN E10 Mini Bluetooth Label Printer, and we're about to dive into all the reasons why this little gadget is a game-changer. Let's jump right into what makes the SUPVAN E10 Mini Bluetooth Label Printer a must-have for your home, kitchen, or office. Tired of searching through cluttered storage bins or mislabeling your food containers? The SUPVAN E10 has got you covered. With its smart app control, you can label things with names, barcodes, QR codes, text, emojis, and pre-made templates. Say goodbye to disorganization. Before we continue, it's essential to highlight SUPVAN's extensive experience in the printing industry, 18 years and counting. With over 20 service centers worldwide, SUPVAN is committed to delivering top-notch products and excellent customer support. The SUPVAN label machine utilizes inkless thermal technology, ensuring high clarity without the need for printer ink or toner. This not only saves you money but also precious time and effort. Get professional-looking labels effortlessly. Customization has never been easier. The Smart app offers over 600 templates, including various fonts, texts, graphics, symbols, and icons. You can create your label in seconds directly from your phone or tablet. Convenience at your fingertips? The handheld design of the mini SUPVAN E10 label machine allows you to use it anywhere. It's incredibly portable, and the rechargeable battery can last up to a full month on a single charge. No more searching for outlets. Here's an interesting tidbit. The Catasymbol app can be used with both Catasymbol and SUPVAN products, offering you versatility and compatibility. In conclusion, the SUPVAN E10 Mini Bluetooth Label Printer is your ticket to a more organized and efficient life. Say goodbye to messy storage and hello to neatly labeled items. Plus, with SUPVAN's extensive experience and dedication to customer satisfaction, you're in good hands. That's a wrap for today's review. If you found this video informative and helpful, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing for more tech reviews. For additional details and purchase links, check out the video description below. Thank you for joining us at Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay organized and tech savvy.